Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best garden design ideas to help you create your dream outdoor space. In today's video, we will be showcasing some beautiful garden fountain designs that are sure to transform your outdoor space into a serene oasis. Garden fountains not only add beauty to your landscape but also offer many health benefits. So let's dive and explore some stunning garden fountain ideas that you can incorporate into your outdoor space. Classic garden fountains. If you're looking to add a timeless touch to your garden, a classic garden fountain is a perfect choice. These fountains come in a variety of designs and materials, such as stones or cast iron, and can be placed in a central location for maximum impact. We will show you some classic garden fountains that will give your garden a touch of elegance and sophistication. Modern garden fountains, if you prefer a more contemporary look, a modern garden fountains might be the perfect fit for your outdoor space. These fountains come in sleek designs with clean lines and geometric shapes that add a sense of minimalism and simplicity to your garden. We will showcase some modern garden fountains that are sure to impress and inspire. DIY garden fountains. Do it yourself. DIY garden fountains are a great way to add a personal touch to your garden design while saving some money. We will provide some easy and creative DIY garden fountains idea that you can try at home using materials such as clay pots, rocks, or even recycled items. Fountain placement and maintenance steps. Once you have chosen the perfect garden fountain, it's important to consider its placement at your outdoor space. We will provide some helpful tips of how to choose the right location for your fountain, how to maintain it properly, and how to ensure it functions efficiently. Solar powered garden fountains. If you are looking for an eco-friendly option that doesn't require any electrical wiring or outlets, a solar powered garden fountain is a great choice. These fountains use solar panels to power the pump, which circulates the water and creates a relaxing ambience in your outdoor space. We will show you some beautiful solar powered garden fountains that you can add to your landscape.